Good morning, everyone! Welcome to Iloilo International Airport. I started my day by sending my son go back to Manila for his second semester. The vacation is over. I will give you a glance of the beauty of our Iloilo International Airport. It's already 5 a.m. in the morning and it's January 8, 2022 and the airport is already alive. Many passengers are coming in to catch up their flight schedule. Have a safe flight langga, my dear son. Hope to see you soon. Take care and we love you so much. At the moment, we are on our way home and we are now in front of Green Meadows Subdivision. It is my chance again to show you the road of C1 Road going to Buhang Flyover. And later, I will check the ongoing flyover construction in Buhang Flyover. For now, just enjoy the view and stay with me at the end of this vlog so that you will enjoy more and more and you will be updated of the progress of Iloilo. Good morning! We're here in Iloilo City, Circumferential Road. I am proud to show everyone the ongoing construction of Green Meadows Subdivision on the east area. The west area is on my left side, it's already done, and on the right side it's the east area and the construction is still going on. I'm sure I have to show you more progress of Iloilo this year, 2023. So just sit back and enjoy the view of C1 Road of Iloilo City going to Buhang Flyover. Ano? Oo, those steady gawa.
Ha? Oo, ma'am. Oo, sige, tara. Dito ka, Maki? Oo, tara.
Hinay lang tayo. Ano ba siya? Ay, nano.
Ano yung sa kagod? Ano ba tayo?
Ay! Hinay lang tayo. Long din ha?
Oo. Ano ba nagkabira sa Mr. Ma?
Wala, ginulam lang ni Namon. Hindi niya ako. Nagdulo kami sa airport na Namon Papa. Kaga-vlog ako ah. Ina-vlog ko na yung mga lagyan mo ah. Ano pa ka pang mo? Puro ning motor niyo?
Teka lang.
Gabi ko suong, ikaw ta.
Hindi, yung pamangkot ko, nga maaga pumunta akong...
Aw, ate, sige to. Sige.
Ano ba yan? Oo, sige na, ako na.
Sige lang.
Ako na. Oo, sige.
Sige to. Oo.
Anong? Dire ka sa...
Sige to. Pagpanaubuan mo ko kay sakaan kung gandang bridge so pwede hantay o saka ko to hanay sa bridge wala tayo dali na total hindi man ko mabugat doon nag-vlog kung hindi ko pag nag-bisyo na ni bala lang bala hindi nang construct ng dire
Yeah.
No entry ko no. Dire ko sa kilid eh. Sa kilid dira naman yung gagawin sa dito no. At hindi lang nadlo ko.
Dire ka rin gusto ka.
Oo, dire gid ko Morning Iloilo. Ari kita dire subong in Barangay Cantinsalas and the other side is Barangay Camaligharo, Iloilo City. Check naton ang gina-construct nga flyover. Ato ako nas bando. Kintuan ko gini subong kay para i-check kung ano ang progress ng ila obra. Malisensya ko tani kay gusto ko gito magsaka kaso lang wala tao. So wala na ako ng lisensya. Ay ka na ako siguro. Dili na nasa baba. So lapit na lang yung gali matapos. Kita nyo to sa dalom lapit. Mga taga Iloilo, kung kapamangkot ka mo ka anong update sa flyover diri banda sa Cantinsalas, lapit na lang gid matapos. Maniawnan. Sa babaw pa na. Diri na ako sa middle, ara to sa dalom Kita ko sa inyong highway pakadto sa Camaligharo kag ang sa Cantinsalas nga haro. Dali lang gid. Putik ilang mga gamit. Ang going on. Na ako anay. House ang ilangan taga ubra. I'm sure I have shown you a lot views of this Buhang Flyover, and now we will proceed to Coastal Road going home to our barangay, Sinikway. On my right side is way to Quintinsalas and city proper. On the left side is to Kamalig, Tagbak, and other northern towns in Iloilo. And on my straight way is to Coastal Road going to Lapos or La Paz, Barrio Obrero, Iloilo City. I will not put any background music so that you can feel the essence of my vlog, the bumpy road, the singing of the birds, and and the beep beep of the sound of the vehicles. This is the view of the flyover under construction right now, and of course we can see the road that it is not good, but after the flyover constructed, they will also repair the road from here up to the damaged area. We have seen the entrance of the flyover, but now we will see the exit. There is still a lot of work to do here, but I'm sure they can finish it very soon. Okay, sige tayo. Ang inyong vlogger kakang iya nga wana aga baka hindi aga pangitan sa ramon nga target. Okay, ari kami diri subong sa may Quintinsalas, in between kami sa Quintinsalas at Kamalig Haro. We are now approaching the SMDC soon to rise residences here at Balabago, Haro, Iloilo City. Ano gali? Hinay lang tayo. Kay ano na, sa section gate. Hinay kita. So napatay na naglanay mo, no?
ba? Ito.
Bolamon sa lakyan diri sa highway. Actually, we are here in Coastal Road. Morning. It's fun and safe to drive today because today is Sunday and very few vehicles are now on the road. In early 20s, as I remember, this area is vacant and have few houses, and now you can see a lot of companies like construction companies, trucking, and many more. So you can see how fast the progress of Iloilo City. before the end of my vlog, I would like to shout out all the Ilonggos who is always supporting my channel and always viewing and subscribing to me. Thank you so much for your support. I cannot mention your names one by one, but in my heart, I really heartedly thank you. And my warmest regards from Iloilo City, from the City of Love. And of course, to my family and friends. Without you, my vlog will not reach this far. Thank you so much. And special mention to my son who always allowing me to borrow his tablet so that I can vlog. Thank you so much, my dear son. Thank you so much. I love you. I hope I can see you on my next vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Melanie Baxanella, your vlogger from the City of Love, Iloilo, Philippines. And watch out for my next vlog. Watch out for Stanley Talabahan. I hope I can see you on that vlog. Hope you will go and dine in Stanley Talabahan. Thank you so much. And of course, don't forget to subscribe PJ Travel, John Lee Caliano Vlog, Melody Vlog, and Donabel Vorgos Vlog. Please support all my friends on YouTube. This area is San Lorenzo Subdivision, the very beautiful San Lorenzo. From our barangay, you can reach this subdivision by tricycle, sikad, or you have your own vehicle. And I don't know if there is still place to buy from this subdivision, but mostly the houses here are beautiful. This subdivision is safe and very near the city proper. You can go to La Paz Plaza or in city proper plaza because this area is on the center. You may now enjoy viewing the beautiful houses of this subdivision. And of course, you can also see our place later, the Barangay Siniquay, Lapos, Iloilo City. And check my Facebook page, Melanie Espino Baxanella. See you there!
Lain aso niya daw ugangan din siniyan.